Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Craftivist channel, and I'm making this project for Craftivist Corner on my Etsy store. So go check out my Etsy store. The link is in the description below. For this project, we're going to be doing a wire tree. Today I'll be using yellow, green, and red chip beads. A Rasta colored theme tree. And the handcrafted hoop I just held up is going to be a Rasta Tree of Life pendant. So I'm trying something new on this project. I'm going to use this easy cast stuff. It's going to be for the base of the tree, and also these tins is going to hold the easy cast so I can stick the tree in there and have like a foundation for the tree to sit on. And this stuff is also good for like pendants and little jewelry stuff. I might try that a little later. But the wire that I used today was a 24 gauge wire for my copper wire for my tree. A full wrap of wire around this cardboard is 30 inches, and that'll be the length of my limbs down to the roots of the tree. When the tree is completed, it'll stand approximately 9 to 9.5 inches tall. On part 2, I'll be taking a video of the base of the tree and how I use the epoxy to create that. That'll be an interesting one, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so I'll start out with taking a length of wire and stringing one bead onto the wire and centering it into the middle. This wire is really wavy due to the spool it was on. Okay, so here I go, twisting the first bead. I really want to emphasize how important it is to do a careful twist when you're twisting your wire to the bead, because a lot of these chip beads are real delicate with the holes that are in them, that they snap fairly easy if you have too much pressure. I'll separate the wire. I'll take a second color and I'll slide it on one side of the wire. And I'll slide it to about an inch to 1.5 inches from the first bead, and then I'll fold the wire over, and start my twist on that one. And I'll twist it all the way up to the base of the first stem, about 12 twists to get to the middle of the other stem. You want to make sure the twists meet. Then you take your other side, your other wire, the longer length, and you'll string the third bead on. And you'll do the same as the last. So you'll about 1.5 inches pull over the wire and do your twist until it meets the middle of the other two twists. That one only took about 8 twists. And this is what the first limb looks like. Now you'll have all 3 beads twisted down about 1.5 inches. And then you take both sides of the wire where they meet and do the twist to create the stem of the tree. the stem of the first limb, I'm sorry. That'll create the stem of the first limb, or create the limb. And you don't want to twist too much further down because you're going to be tying a bunch of limbs together in a bit. So here's a few that I've done. Okay, so I took 3 limbs. I lined them up to where all the twist stops, and I start twisting those 3 together to create a larger limb. Here's another look at how I do it. I take the 4 branches, and at the end of each twist, on each branch, I'll line them up and twist them all together at that point. It'll create my limb. I'll take that limb and 1 or 2 other limbs, and I'll twist those together to create a larger limb. So here's the top of the tree. And I'm going to add these a little lower on the branches. And twist those together. It's a twisting frenzy. Basically, you just twist until the tree forms. So that completes the tree in the part 1 video. The part 2 video, we're going to be looking at using the Easy Cast clear casting epoxy, and we're going to create the base of the tree. And so stay tuned for that. We have a lot more video coming, so I hope you enjoyed what you've seen today. Thanks for watching, and keep on crafting. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.